let's talk about those viral laser cleaning videos and the dangerous lie they're selling.
Okay, first up, the viral video lie.
You've seen them, right? Someone sticks their bare hand in a laser beam and nothing happens.
But here's the thing. They're selling a lie, and that lie is getting people seriously hurt. So how do they do it? Well, the camera can see the laser, but your eyes can't, and that's just for starters. Safety pros literally compare these two firearms, yet many are sold without any kind of safety switch. Let's dig into the invisible dangers and the very real costs. These aren't toys. They're Class 4 lasers, the most dangerous type there is.
And the beam itself, it's totally invisible. Your eye won't even blink before the damage is done.
What's worse, the damage is painless and permanent. You won't feel a thing until it's too late. All right, check out this number. Any guesses what this is? That's the OSHA fine for just one safety incident. And believe me, that's just the tip of the iceberg. An accident means downtime, massive insurance hikes. You could even lose your biggest customers over it. So what's the solution? Well, safety can't be an add-on. It has to be engineered in from the start. For Chihalo, that's the whole philosophy. Safety isn't an accessory, it's a core requirement. They do this with a triple lock safety system. It's all about having multiple layers of protection. It's called defense in depth, so no single point of failure can ever cause an injury. And it's not just the beam. Laser cleaning creates hazardous fumes, so fume extraction comes standard. Okay, let's put these systems head to head. And you can really see the difference. It's a massive gap in critical safety features. So is saving a little upfront worth a disaster that costs 10 times more? I don't think so. Finally, let's talk about being audit ready from day one. Chihalo gives you a full compliance package. All the paperwork, all the templates, it's all there for you. You can prove compliance in minutes, not weeks. Your business is protected right out of the box. So it really just comes down to this. Is a low price tag worth risking a six-figure incident?